Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the SSO provider and the exact account email. This avoids mismatched ID. Once done, make sure MFA is available and recovery codes are at hand, because you may be prompted to re-authenticate immediately. Next, notify any teams if admin approval is required, and export session tokens or active app links to prevent access disruption. Start the update now. Don't idle, because changing the SSO ID can invalidate sessions across services, and you log into the SSO admin console with an administrator role and use MFA. This keeps the process secure. Then locate the specific user record and edit the SSO ID field. Enter the new ID exactly, because case and format matter. Once saved, update attribute mappings for SAML or SIM so downstream apps recognize the new identifier. Finally, force a token refresh or revoke old sessions to ensure the new ID propagates. This step prevents stale credentials from causing login failures. You now verify the change by testing login across core applications and mobile clients. Confirm that sessions start cleanly and that roles persist. If a login fails, check audit logs for mapping errors or 401/403 responses, because those point to attribute mismatches or permission issues. If necessary, rerun user provisioning or clear local caches, and only roll back to the previous SSO ID if access is critically broken. One troubleshooting tip: always examine the SAML response or SIM trace first. It tells you.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.